Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review and a recommendation and a show usage behind me here in my battery compartment of the onboard charger that I'm using in my bay boat. So I'm using the RS3, the Real Pro Series from Pro Charging Systems. It's a 3-bank charger designed for wet cell AGM. And I actually just installed some LiPo lithium batteries in here for my trolling motor system. You can't see it, but I'll put the camera down here in a second. So the Real Pro series, I think it's the RS3, which there's RS2, RS1. All of the RS series, from what I'm being told by the engineers, are designed for lithium batteries, are safe for charging that. So I've still got one AGM Odyssey battery in here, then 2 watt cycle lithium batteries down here that it's charging. I'm just going to go to the app for my lithium right here, and so you can see that it's charging it really good. And you can see a little charge error, little symbol right there. It's not showing any errors or anything, so it's working great. Let me see if I can pop this camera off here without making too much of a ruckus here with the camera. All right, so this camera's a little bit touchy, so I'm going to try to put it down in here. There you go. It's the hard part about showing you the charger and holding it is the way I've got it set up in here. It's set up behind my air bubbler mounted to the wall and all that kind of stuff. But you can see it. It's working great. The charge lights are on. It's working. So if you're looking for a great charger, you can't go wrong. Go with the RS3, the Real Pro. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.